It's an exciting time for education in Wales as we work together to develop the Curriculum for Wales. In January 2020, the Curriculum for Wales framework was published. This included Curriculum for Wales: The Journey to 2022, which provided a clear outline for curriculum design. This year, a new version of Continuing the Journey is published as part of the Curriculum for Wales guidance to help you assess where you are in realising the curriculum and guide you in developing a coherent curriculum that supports learners to realise the four purposes. It's been co-constructed with practitioners to ensure it works effectively for different types of schools and settings across Wales. But what's changed? The guidance you may already be familiar with has been refined for the profession, by the profession, making it easier to access and understand how to develop your curriculum effectively. The updated guidance is split into 4 key areas: purpose, progression, assessment and pedagogy. The messages and expectations remain the same, but the information is more focused and easier to navigate and understand. Further support has been created on Hub, giving you easy access to bite-sized supporting materials to keep you informed and up to date. So, what's next? It's important to read the updated guidance and use the materials that are signposted. And as you delve further into the guidance, reflect on your progress within these expectations. Embrace the ongoing growth and evolution this journey offers, and craft purposeful learning experiences that enthuse all learners and support their development. Education in Wales is evolving to ensure our young people are equipped with the knowledge, skills and experiences that will support their development now and in the future.